Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, this is such a cute brand new style from Rene of Paris. This is Jude. The color, of course, is Creamy Toffee Rooted. Actually, that is my very favorite Rene of Paris color. I have loved it. My very first wig I ever had was Creamy Toffee Rooted. So I have always enjoyed this color. I can't wait to show you this. Rene of Paris sent me this wig to review for you. So thank you very much, Rene of Paris. Let's get started and have a look at Jude. Okay, Jude. This is part of their Rene of Paris high fashion collection. So it is a mid-length bob, as you can see. Has these long layers, lots of movement here. I like the shagginess of this wig. That is back, right? Really popular right now. Really shaggy styles, layered styles, razor cut in. Let me show you the back of this. Now, this one has a little longer nape. It is 4.3. So if you have hair that grows down on your neck a little, this might work for you. So keep that in mind that this one has a little longer nape. Really, really a nice style. Now, let's talk about Permatease. If you do not like Permatease, this is not your wig. This wig has lots of Permatease in it. But if you've watched my channel, you know I'm all about the Permatease, so fine by me. But I just like to call that to your attention. This works perfectly behind your ears. That's a look that I wear a lot. Both sides work well. You can wear it all going forward on both sides. That's cute. This is just so fun. I just like these styles that I can just get my hands in and play with a little and just piece it out, get it a lot of movement going. And guess what? It has bangs, right? So everybody loves bangs. Again, a big style right now, very trendy, are bangs. So this comes in at a 3.5 inch bang. These bangs are too long for me. I'm going to trim mine a little bit, very choppy trim. I'm just going to trim the ends. I just do it right across the ends just chop those ends up. I don't want them straight and fixed, but I am going to shorten my bangs just a little because they are too long. But you could just wear them to the side. Now this is a basic cab, so there's no lace feature or anything. This is a very affordable wig, which is great. But like I said, it's very, very layered, with the crown being 6.3 to 7.5, and then that 4.3 inch nape. Now you could just spray it with a little water. Like I said, again, lots of Permatease going on here. Did you see that? Actually, they've done that really well on this wig in the parting space here. It's not a big nest of Permatease in my opinion, so I feel like they've done it well, and I think Creamy Toffee Rooted lends itself to work well with these wigs that have Permatease because of the highlighting, the way they've done the highlighting through here. It goes all the way down into the root, which kind of breaks that up. Now let's talk about this color. I'm going to show it to you in sun and shade so you can get an idea about Creamy Toffee Rooted. But it is a 50-50 blend of platinum blonde and light honey blonde. And then it's all on this darker root, which is great. Now, a few things of how I would style this wig. I would use my hot air brush. I'll link it below. I use the Hot Tools hot air brush. It's gonna be a little loud, so bear with me. Keep it moving, as you know. I would use that just to bump under these bangs just a little. You could also use that to I'll just show you. You want to do that, you can. So on synthetic, yes, you can use this heat with this hot air brush. However, Always remember, just keep that brush moving. You don't want any heat to sit on synthetic for any amount of time. This does not get that hot. However, you always want to keep that tool moving. But you see, you can just bump those bangs under just a little. And this layering is so cute, the way it all just comes forward. You could also use a little wig wax. Put that in here to piece it out. Loosen it up a little. You can get this pretty big if you wanted to, which I do. I'm about it. I am here for the Permatease, ladies, you know that. But I also respect the ones who say, nope, not for me at all. I absolutely get it. I love my hand-tied caps. I love my lace fronts. I love my sleek styles, and they are all great too. So I just am one of those people who like it all. I like to have days where I want big hair. I love Permatease, and then I want days I want something very sleek and straight. So isn't that the beauty of wig wearing? We have choices. We can change it up. I'm going to wear blonde one day, red the next day, long one day, sleek one day, big hair one day. That is what I personally love and embrace about wig wearing. Okay, let's talk about the inside of this cap. I'm going to take it off and show you, like I said, this is basic as they come. Basic cap design. Lots and lots of Permatease here. Closed ear tabs with stays. It is open wefted. It has a non-extended felt nape and pull adjusters. Now the fit. This fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I did not do any adjustments at all, so this fit me perfectly. Now, if you want to sleek this down, you can sleek this down some. You can work with this Permatease and make this more of a sleek look. Just going to use my wide tooth comb, as you know, and pull through it and sleek it down a little. And also, that's when I wear mine behind my ears. If I want to sleek it, make it have more of a sleek look, I will pull this down behind my ears. Just leave a little out, and see, you can make this much more of a sleek look if that is what you want. Easy to do. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put it on with a cute headband. That is always fun, especially when I wear something like a jean jacket like this. I will enjoy it with a cute headband. You can also just clip it if you want. Just for fun. It's always fun just to add some kind of just little hair accessory. Just why not? I really like that. Okay guys, that is a look at Rene of Paris JUDE. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget, follow me over on Instagram. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.